Sorry. Round one. This is just the third. Public sparring. So Mark Magnifico Magsayo, palakpakan naman mga Cebuanos. Show your love in Boxing Federation. Jason Alino Pagara will venue kundiin mahitabo ang the time has come. Iisa na ang gamot. Okay sir, asa ito? Alright, so I'm gonna be giving more tickets later on. I have 3 more tickets later so please join and participate sa atong game. EF Youth Featherweight Champion while Bukidnon. Mark Magnifico World Title Prospects. Correct. Claim your prize over there. Mapil ba yun sa Milan?